Yes.
There he is.
Got it.
Let's go.
Hey guys, filming this intro way after when I went fishing. I'm still in the process of editing the video right now, to be honest with you. But man, this video is gonna be pretty fun. It was pretty fun to film. First time catching peacock bass. You've seen the fish I catch on my channel. These ones are kind of similar, but they're way more fun to catch, to be honest with you. And I can't wait to go back out in Hawaii and catch some more, get on a boat again. You might hopefully buy a kayak or even a longboard, anything. Stay tuned, stick around for the video. It's a pretty good one, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe. Yeah, please enjoy. Yeah, very tiny, very small ones. There's gotta be. You just straight retrieve it, or do you twitch and?
Yeah. Especially right on the bank, because I know that they're
Oh, I got blown up on.
there. There you go. Because they're sitting like right off the bank.
Damn, I missed it. He got blown up on.
Yeah, so they're here. Like I'll put it at the bank, and then I'll like twitch, and then reel, twitch, reel, and I'll try and get them deep. Yeah.
Yeah.
But not really stopping it. Just
Yeah.
yeah.
Right away.
Yeah.
I can't believe I missed that.
This guy has one. When you throw him, he'll go out and he'll sink.
Right away.
He'll sink in the back of him, and then you can pull him right in front of him. You can pull the bait, but don't let it hit the bottom because he'll get hang up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't let it hang up. Yeah, he's still.
Yeah.
Still there?
I think he's under here. Farthest branch sticking out, he's like right on the left side underneath it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That red leaf?
Yeah, he's still right
under that red leaf.
Oh, I actually went to the right of it, isn't it?
Oh, I think there's two, so I'm looking.
Oh God. Oh, you're left-handed?
Oh, is that wrong side? You gotta like twitch right in front of him so that.
Okay. Twitch in front of him.
Angry.
Oh, dang it.
Alright, they'll stay here. That's why we can always.
Yeah.
Always can come back for these.
Oh. Damn it.
That might have been twist around.
Uh-oh.
Did it?
Yeah.
It did.
Yeah. Well, shoot, sorry.
That's okay. No, we'll leave these because they won't.
Well,
Even after we disturb, they'll come
yeah.
back. Yeah.
That's,
Just looking at the deep.
I think I got hung up on the log.
So he's like right this side of it.
Okay.
You see that dark spot?
Yeah.
He's right in that dark spot. So go right over that dark spot. Just right over it. Just right over it. Oh, you went on it.
Oops.
He's still looking at it.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah, that's him.
Oh, I scared him.
That's probably a male on a bar. Oh no, see, he's swimming up.
he's
now.
up.
He's swimming up. Yeah, right. So just get his attention. Like. Yeah.
Oh, he turned on it. Ah, this is a dang tree. Oh, he's right there. Okay, let's see if I can get this one, guys. Yep.
Yes! Let's go, I'm on one. Oh, this is a big one. Dude, this is crazy. Dude, let's go. He's pulling, bro. Let's go. Yes, look at that. That's like 3 pounds. Woo! Let's go.
There you go, Harrison. You got him, man.
Betting.
Who you fishing with?
Jurassic Bass.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Let's put that guy on the scale, you know?
He will put you on if you come to Oahu. That thing fights. Crazy. She was like, oh. Oh my god. Alright, get pliers. Yeah.
These guys can get
Nasty. These guys are nasty.
yeah.
These are nasty.
Yeah.
Oh my god. These fish are mean. First peacock. You don't like that. One and a 1.62. 2.62.
There you go. 2.5 pounds. Easy.
Easy.
Right there.
Alright, get a picture.
2.5 pounds over plus.
Well, Captain Harvey on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
get a release on this guy.
I told you don't drop that.
No.
Yeah.
Let's put the strap on.
Release it. Fight another thing.
Catch and release. Let's bump that one. Let's go. Big boy.
I'm gonna take him.
Do you keep? You keep these for your friends?
Yeah, we'll keep him.
Dang, he's a big one.
Guy.
Yeah.
Nice. Some good aquarium fish.
Yeah. Fish tank
you have
fish.
like a 250
Yeah.
gallon.
I know this one not fit in the fish tanks I have at home. He's got cool eyes.
Alright, Harrison. Good job.
Let's go.
We even was watching that one and you just bit.
I didn't see it. Where's your live one? The hose.
Yeah, wait in the back of
Oh, that one. This one.
one grass.
Take it out.
Alright, you got him out of the way.
Okay. Oh, she wants the crankbait.
Yeah, she does. The color is making. Oh, yeah.
Damn. Okay. I can do this. Oh, she went after that one. Yeah.
Oh,
shit. Oh, no, now he's riled up. The big one's riled up. Uh-oh.
No. Yeah. It's all fouled up again. That cichlid on this crazy looking jerkbait. See the tag right there. Let me see that tag real quick. SSCB, Sunshine State Custom Baits.
Yeah.
It's the one. Might order some when I'm out here. Cast nice too. Come on. Feeling this one. What? You see it still?
I cannot because I cannot.
Yeah. I can't with the glasses even on.
So we let it okay. Oh yeah, she got there. Got him.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh, let's go. Yes. Oh, look at that. Look at that fish. Let's go. Oh, that's bigger than the first.
Don't let him jump. Oh yeah!
Let's go!
That's a 4-pounder.
Look at that fish! Look at that fish! Oh my god! Look at that tank! Look at that tank!
That's a meal, brother.
Oh my god! Freaking hell! GoPro's about to die.
Oh yeah!
Look at that fish! Look at that! Look at that! Hey, freaking fat! Where is that?
Got him. He's working him hard.
Let's go! Dude! Look at this net untangled.
Now everything else is bonus. Come on.
Oh my god! Look at that fish!
Yeah, easy 4. Let's put that guy on the scale. Yeah.
Look at that fish!
All right, Harrison.
Key killer.
On it, man.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that fish.
Woo. How do you get that thing?
Sunshine State
Yeah.
Custom Baits.
Yeah, and who else?
JurassicBass,
All
Captain
right.
Harvey.
All right.
He's hooked good too.
Oh.
Oh, he's hooked so good. That's a tank. That's an absolute beast.
Got my close ring.
Those are so violent. Can you actually just use my phone and record this all, please? Cause I'm gonna drop my phone or something, which I have done before. Not doing this, but yes.
There he
Got
is.
it, got it.
Let's go. Let's go. Don't let him go in the logs.
Oh,
Don't
no,
let
no,
him
no,
go in the
no.
logs.
Got him.
All right. With a...
He's tangled with line.
Yeah.
Another 3-pounder.
Oh, look, it just got off. It just got off.
Dude.
P killer, man. P killer.
Dude.
Woo.
Oh no, how do I do this?
I still videotape you if you want to still go. All right. Watch out. Watch out. You got the grabber. Where's the grabber?
I got it.
Oh,
I
yeah.
got it.
You got you lipped it. Nice. Woo, number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah. What, 3? You think 3?
2.5.
2.5 maybe?
2.5.
2.5. Yep, nice.
Let's go.
Woohoo! Here, you if you wanna
Picture?
do yourself here, like
Oh gosh.
talk.
Oh god, how do I flip this? Dude, number 3. Number 3. Peacock. This is so fun. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you to Harvey for taking me out. I'll keep his Instagram and channel linked in the bio. I really appreciate the view, everyone. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.